Hi everybody, welcome to AutoTecPro. Today we are introducing our newest version of the Tesla screen for Dodge Ram from 2013 to 2021. And this car actually originally comes with the automatic climate control. It also comes with the backup camera as well. This is come with the newest generation of the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. It also supports the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. It also fully compatible with the original Alpine system if it comes with your vehicle. It's fully compatible with all the trailer brake control, tow haul control, heat steering wheel control, and everything. You will not lose any of the original feature. Let's start from the feature of the system first. The system also comes with the offline navigation. That means you do not need to connect to the Wi-Fi to use the navigation because the system also comes with the built-in GPS receiver as well. Let's try the navigation here. This is the newest version of the Google Map. It also comes with the offline feature. How to use the offline feature? First of course, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi to download the map data. Hold the Wi-Fi icon here, turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, or maybe you can also use the 4G LTE. Once you open the Google Map, you can just click on the icon right here, select offline map, select your own map, and then you can just download the map data from your city or your area to the unit. The unit comes with 8 GB of the RAM and 128 GB of the storage memory. It's more than enough actually. Once you download the map to the unit, next time when you use the Google Map, you do not need to connect any Wi-Fi or data. And then you can still use the GPS. It's very fast, and then you can see it's very smooth here. This is also fully compatible with the original climate control. In order to make you guys easier to see the menu, I'm gonna change this one to daytime mode. Okay, as you can see all the temperature control right here. It's fully compatible with the heat seat and cooling seat, and also the heat steering wheel control. Of course, you can also use the physical button here. This is the original. And the trailer brake control, you will not lose the trailer brake control. If your car comes with the manual climate control, the trailer brake control will move to this part, alright? And as you can see, it's very smooth. You can also change the temperature here. It also supports the dual climate control. That means you can change the temperature separately between the driver's side and the passenger side. And of course, this is also fully compatible with the original camera here, as you can see. It also retained the original reverse active guideline. And other than that, of course, you can also download any application to the system as well. As long as you log into the Google App Store, you can download the Netflix. This is the Netflix right here. And then you can also download the 2B, VLC. You can also copy the video to the unit, or maybe you can play the video directly from the USB flash drive. Okay, so let's see.
This job requires stealth. Look at you. I'm trying to save the world, which, for the record, will be my 4th time.
You can see the video, the screen quality actually is gorgeous. You also support the weather app right here. You can change the location from here. And then once you change the location over there, you can check the weather information from the screen. It's very nice. Other than that, of course, you can also use the YouTube right here. For example, let's try something here. This is the YouTube. You can also play the video here. It's very smooth actually. Let's go back a little bit from the explain a little bit from the setting menu right here. The system comes with 2 built-in interface. The first one is the classic style, and the one is the modern style. Let's check out how it looks like for the modern style. The modern style actually comes with the it looks like the tablet. You can also relocate all the icon based on your personal preference. In order to make you guys easier, to see that, I'm gonna change this one to classic style right now. The system also comes with daytime mode and nighttime mode. You will also automatically change the interface based on the headlight switch. As you can see, when you turn on the headlight, you will automatically switch to the nighttime mode. I'm gonna increase the brightness of the nighttime mode here. When you turn off the headlight, you will automatically switch back to the daytime mode. And then you can also change the language right here. You can change the radio station to North America or according to your area. The system also comes with the equalizer. As you can see, it comes with many different options which will allow you to fine-tune the sound quality based on your personal preference. It's very nice here. And sound gain is the new feature. You can also control the audio output on every single application, such as the radio, music, Bluetooth, or maybe the navigation. You can also adjust all the settings from this menu. The system also comes with video in motion. What that means, the passenger will be able to watch the video while the car is in motion, like the road trip. Of course, this feature is mostly for the passenger, not for the driver. Driver better to focus on driving. And then you can also customize all the features under this user manual right here. You can also assign the navigation software like the Google Map or maybe the Waze. As long as you install to the system, then you can change the navigation software from here. You can also change the boot up logo. App customize, that means you can also customize the different icon from the main menu, like app 1 to app 5. For example, I want app 1 to be YouTube. Then once you set it up, the icon will be showing up on the main screen. It's very user-friendly, right? You do not need to change anything from this menu because we will set up everything for you before we ship it out to you. This system also supports the newest iOS 18. It also supports the wireless Apple CarPlay. How to connect to the Apple CarPlay? For sure, you need to connect to the Bluetooth first at the beginning. But once you pair with the Bluetooth, the system will automatically switch to the Wi-Fi at the background for the Apple CarPlay. This cell phone equipped with the iOS 18. Okay, so basically, how to connect to the Bluetooth? Just pair the Bluetooth right here. Okay, as you can see, or maybe you can just connect from this cell phone. Okay, pair, allow, pairing request. The system will automatically bring up to the Apple CarPlay menu. On the screen, snap connect. It also backward compatible with the iOS 17 or 16. Once you connect to the unit, then you can just put the cell phone on the side. Just keep that in mind, wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Bluetooth to pair the beginning, but once it get paired, you will automatically switch to the Wi-Fi at the background. So basically, wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Wi-Fi to transfer all data. As you can see, it's already connected to the wireless Apple CarPlay. Wireless Apple CarPlay can come with two interfaces. One is the classic style, it will show you all the icons on the main menu. Another one is the split screen feature. You can also read the media playback information and also the navigation here. They also come the voice control. How to use the voice control? Basically, just hold the bottom left corner here. Bring me to the gas station.
One option is Esso on Kennedy Road in Markham.
Oh, maybe.
A little over
you can. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature today will be 25 degrees Celsius, and the low will be 15 degrees.
As you can see, the iOS 18 Apple CarPlay interface looks very, very nice. You can also change the wallpaper from here. Go to Setting, go to Wallpaper. You can also select different options right here. Or maybe if you want to go back to the main menu, just click on Exit. There's no delay at all. Okay, it's very smooth here. Okay. And the radio station, of course, you can also listen to the radio here. For example, if you want to save the channel, you can. They also support the stereo control. If you want to save this channel, just hold it, and then the radio station will be saved on the unit. Okay. And also another thing is I need to show you guys is the console. And under the car setting, this system is fully compatible with all the original features. What that means, as you can see, there's a lot of options right here, like the headlight switch, and also the headlight sensitivity, and also the auto door lock. If your car does not come with this feature, the setting will still showing up on the screen. However, the feature won't work. But as you can see, it's fully compatible with everything, like the front, the parking sensor, and also it's also compatible with the amplifier setting. As you can see, it's right here. You can also adjust the amplifier output power, and also the fader balance, and also the bass. Everything is fully compatible right here. This system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us. AutoTecPro will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.